wish you to dance with me, when I clap, when I move, when I wish you to dance with me, gay. Okay, there is another episode of the second heart fat. There is another episode of heart fat. Okay, let's go. Let's unbox. Boom. Okay. Go. This is it. Okay. Although that my best friend has a birthday to celebrate very soon, and which is she chose the costume that we are going to use, all of us, and I decided to buy the costume. Okay, this is the costume. This one are for men in the house. Men in the house. This one are the costume. I will say this one will enter a pamuka. If you don't enter, that means we will go meet tailor. It will be another thing, tailor. So agbada and sokoto for her. So this is the costume. Is L. Now I buy for look out, but this is the is hell that I bought for Luca. You will enter Ram. I pray. If you know enter Ram, I just go buy a shoke. I go buy agbada. I go buy a Ghana clothes. I go see me they call stitch and make they stitch all of them. Come join this cloth. Make it for enter a body. But yeah, the way I saw it, this is what I ordered versus what I got. Yeah, it did nice. Yeah. Now wait till I order that this one. And which is other of my stuff will still be coming out soon, okay? Because I never distribute everything called give me. Go. Wait. Make I never wear them. And this one. Now we wait till I order. Is that nice? Because now carnival birthday. Now we want to do. My girlfriend. My best friend, she's going to celebrate 50 years birthday. The birthday. This one when my hair could do like Papa Jasco, Jasco, Anita Jasco, Alelu, Jasco, Africa number one, Berala, dun, Papa Jasco, Jasco, Anita Jasco. I be waiting my hair called resemble. The hair they fly like a butterfly. You are my African queen. Girl of my dream. You make me Ami Amadi. Hey! You make my life tinga-digga-gee. Hey! You are my African queen. Hey! Girl of my dream. Okay. So we have unboxed the two stuff. See you on another unboxing when they came. And when they are coming because they are overloading. One love, guys. One love. Go. I know the dance way. Am I not a dancer? Give me an award. Give me an award. You don't want to give me an award, Abi. You don't want to give me an award because you don't want to assume that I dance more than you. I dance past you.